Hey squad, it's it's Wednesday. It's the 1st of December, and I believe today is the 400th day, so that's kind of a red letter day. Tonight, all I'm gonna do is wire up the transformer for my doorbell system. Wasn't really gonna do anything with the doorbell, but the more I started thinking about it, the more I realized now is the time to put in hard wiring for a doorbell. And something like a Nest, or any of the other smart doorbells, they can run on batteries, but I don't want to be charging batteries all the time. So, the top of the line fancy smart doorbells, I'll just require a 24 volt transformer, which I've got. So I'm just gonna put up a gang box, tap into one of my existing gang boxes, and then run that 18-2 wire. Finally some cheap wire, thank God. It's like 20 bucks for 100 feet, amazing. Run that out to the doorbell, so I'm gonna work on that tonight. Welcome to my attic. Isn't it lovely up here? Jokes aside, I just got this junction box wired up. Let me show you. This is the junction box for the kitchen and living room lights. It looks a little bit busy, but it's really not too bad. We've got one hot wire coming in and then 3 coming out. The top one here is for the new doorbell. Sneaks around the backside and hits this junction box that you saw me wiring up. And on the bottom is the important bit. Probably won't focus, but those outer 2 terminals will give me 24 volts between the 2 of them. Exactly what I need for a smart thermostat. As promised, that's it for the night. Hey guys, so I've been tidying up this evening, getting ready for my inspection, which is today's Sunday. My inspection is on Wednesday in 3 days. really 2 days. So I've been tidying up a little bit. I found something cool though. Let me show you what this is. Check this out, just a board, but it was looking a little bit big to me, so check this out. It's 4 inches across and 2 inches wide. It is actually a 2x4, not 1.5 by 3.5, but a real honest to goodness 2x4. Actually, and this is cool, just for fun. Here they are side by side. You can see why it looks so much bigger. Anyways, that's all. Take a look down that way towards the kitchen. Dad and I got the new range vent ducting installed. So this is all 6-inch ducting. It originates at the range over there on the right, comes across the kitchen and goes up through the existing vent hole, which has the benefit of being really high on the roof pitch for excellent venting. Next, I want to point out just how nice the light is up here in the attic even. You can see right here the 4 boxes I installed last night. These are the piano lights. And amazingly, it's kind of pretty in the attic right now. Moving around to the left, you can see this new addition. This is the 8-inch extra piping around my B vent, which is 4-inch for the hot water heater. So this extra pipe around here just maintains 1-inch clearance to the B vent for fire code. So I also got this dryer vent installed, and you saw me working on it outside. Goes upstairs into the office, turns an elbow, and goes straight outside. It's a nice short run with only one 90-degree bend, so I'm well under the 35-foot limit. I also cleaned up my shop and cleaned up the entire house. Check out how nice those new 4 piano lights are. With everything on a gimbal, it's going to make it super nice and easy to adjust the mood of the room. Okay guys, well, there's a ton of other stuff I did too, but I'm just pooped out. I'm gonna grab a snack and go to bed, but it's gonna be a busy Monday and Tuesday, so I'll see you right back here tomorrow morning. Good evening, it's the 6th of December, Monday. It is freaking cold, really, really cold. It's 42 degrees in my house, but I'm trying to finish everything before my rough-in inspection on Wednesday. Just a few things left, let me show you. Electricity in bathroom number 1 is now roughed out. Really simple stuff. Have the main gang box with 2 light switches, one for the vanity, one for the can light with the vent fan. Of course, every bathroom needs an outlet. And last but not least, that gang box for the wall-mounted vanity light. Behind me, you can see a boatload of DWV fittings. We've got long sweeps, 90-degree elbows, Ys, double Ys, clean out tees, sanitary tees, you name it. There's a bunch of stuff back there, so I'm gonna try and put it all together now. First, I'm gonna knock out this electrical task. This is the gang box for the art lights over the stairs. They'll be right at ceiling height, or rafter height, I should say, there. Power coming in at the bottom, couple going right, couple going left. 4 lights total. We start off by adding the ground to the gang box. Next, it gets mounted to the wall. Next, we thread in the raw mix. I add these 2 smart connectors to each the neutral and the hot conductors so that I can hook up all 4 of the lights, and then I'll tuck these back in the box. And just like that, this box is ready to receive its 4 wires. By the way, I don't know if I've showed you guys these, but Dad and I roughed in the stair lights this weekend as well. So these will be just little standard 3-inch gang boxes, and they'll receive LED fixtures, add a little bit of light at night. Okay, now for the fun part, to install this donut. I've marked it out, so this should go in the donut, And then this on top, this is our first drain fitting. It's just a standard sanitary tee for a 1/2-inch drain pipe, which will be that one over there, the basement lavatory. All right, I'm gonna try and put it together. One day before the inspection, Tuesday, December 7th. You guys think I have enough fittings? I better. Here we've got the rough-in block for the kitchen sink, the T-trap, the sanitary tee will go through there, hot water there, cold water there. All right, the laundry vent is 100% done. It's going up through the roof. Plenty of clearance above the roof now. Excellent. By the way, you can see that they didn't have it sealed well before, so I'm actually gonna get a secondary rubber boot and put it over the first one, just to make sure things are super sealed up good there. Otherwise, it's a beautiful vent, totally done. The kitchen is almost roughed in, but I need a long sweep elbow to transition from that vertical drop to the horizontal run before it enters the basement. Otherwise, it's hooked up, goes through the vent, out through the attic, and is good to go.